Hey you guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk about major seventh chords. How do you get a major seventh chord? It's actually pretty straightforward. You apply the formula 1, 3, 5, 7. So you take the first note, the third note, the fifth note, and the seventh note of its major scale, and you get the major seventh chord. Let's take an example. Let's figure out the C major seventh chord. So if you apply the formula to the major scale, then you get these notes. You get the C, you get the E, you get the G, and then you get the B. So here's what it sounds like. It's actually a pretty dreamy sounding chord. It's actually one of my personal favorites. Hopefully that tip helped. See you next time.